Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Law base 8 of b, that is about f and b over f and 8. So we need to transform this one into this one. So I will put this one go outside. Next, we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to f and s. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this dv, that is about s ds. The integration of this one, we have s squared over number 2. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So s squared divided by s, you got about s. And now we have the integration s ds. So this one, that is about s squared over number 2. And I will put about c. So number 2 and number 2, we have number 4. Now we return back to this one. So this one, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.